Lots.
Yes.
Lots. In this case, Your Lordship, I am L1 who has qualified in technical and
For
financial.
providing what kind of services?
It is a services under which we have to provide security men to the
Security services.
Yes.
All right. Then
And the service charge which has been quoted by the petitioner has been held to be unreasonably low by the respondent, Your Lordship, Basu, Bihar Animal Science University, Your Lordship. And I have already demonstrated through my.
so it is. All right. You are appearing. Who is appearing?
He is appearing for Basu.
I'm four. I don't.
He has to be noticed.
Notice is respond number 4 by ordinary as well as registered post returned with 5 weeks. Dusty. In the meanwhile, counsel appearing for respond number 1 shall file a reply. 1 to 3.
Lordship, 1 to
Shall
3.
file a reply.
Okay.
Item of 4.
Lordship, this matter, Lordship, with respect to the allotment of Lordship, the retail outlet dealership. Lordship, this is the second round litigation, and this interim order, Lordship, Annex 22, page 87. It is the last page of the last but one page of my brief. This is order of rejection, Lordship. Page 87, Lordship. Lordship, I may be permitted to place. I may be permitted to place the impugn order first.
Yes, what is your case?
Lordship, my case is, Lordship, they have rejected my application on the ground that the land, Lordship, land certificate which was submitted by the petitioner by way of lease of the landlord, that is not sufficient, and some co-sharer was, Lordship, did not submitted any application. This is, Lordship, just like
Is that annexure?
Lordship,
Rejection letter?
page 87.
87.
Page 87, Annexure 22, page 87.
Page 64.
64.
First and.
First, 87, Lordship. This is, Lordship, second paragraph. इस संबंध में पुनः आपके आवेदन स्वयं आपको सूचित करना है कि लोकेशन आपके द्वारा HPCL को पूर्व में प्रेषित आवेदन की समुचित जवाब आपको हमारे पत्रांक संरचना के माध्यम से पूर्व में दिया चुका है। तथापि माननीय उच्च न्यायालय पटना के द्वारा पारित याचिका निष्पादन आदेश स्वयं आपके अभ्यावेदन इतना के संबंध में आपका निम्नवत सूचित करना है। आपके उक्त लोकेशन में डीलर चयन हेतु आवेदन दिनांक 23/12/18 के माध्यम से खाता संख्या इतना वाली भूमि का एक टुकड़ा का प्रस्ताव पेश किया गया था। आपके द्वारा उक्त भूमि के प्रस्ताव के समर्थन में एक निबंधित लीज एग्रीमेंट संख्या स्वयं की प्रति जमा किया गया था, जिसके माध्यम से आपने खाता संख्या 1279 खेसरा संख्या स्वयं रकबा स्वयं की भूमि को श्री भरतलाल पासवान पिता स्वर्गीय सत्यनारायण पासवान से लीज पर प्राप्त किया है। डीलर चयन की प्रक्रिया पूर्ण होने के लिए आपके द्वारा जमा किए गए सभी दस्तावेजों का मूल रूप से सत्यापन हेतु दिनांक स्वयं को FBC प्रक्रिया संपन्न हुआ। FBC प्रक्रिया में आपके द्वारा प्रस्तावित जमीन के स्वामी के स्वामित्व संबंधित मूल दस्तावेज के सत्यापन के क्रम में यह दृष्टिगत हुआ कि प्रस्तावित खेसरा संख्या स्वयं का स्वामित्व स्पष्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि भूस्वामी श्री भरतलाल पासवान के स्वामित्व के समर्थन में जमा किए गए आपसी बंटवारा से संबंधित दस्तावेज में त्रुटियां थी। उक्त आपसी बंटवारा के अवलोकन से प्रतीत होता है कि खेसरा संख्या स्वयं की भूमि कुल रकबा एक 120 डिसमिल है, जबकि अंचल कार्यालय रानीगंज द्वारा उक्त भूमि के जमाबंदी के नकल से संबंधित निर्गत जांच प्रतिवेदन स्वयं के अवलोकन से उपरांत प्रतीत हुआ कि बंदोबस्ती वाद संख्या स्वयं के आधार पर सत्यनारायण पासवान पिता स्वयं 1 एकड़ मात्र ही है। अतः आपके द्वारा खेसरा संख्या स्वयं समर्थन में जमा किए गए आपसी बंटवारा एवं अंचल कार्यालय रानीगंज विवादित होता है तदनुसार आप हमारे भी अपना
Yes, yeah.
Your Lordship, the
He is
land,
giving you a lease agreement.
that is only by one landlord.
Mr. Counsel, we are asking you, please,
Yes.
have you understood what
Yes.
what the court was asking you?
No, Your Lordship. Sorry.
Have
Your
some
Lordship.
patience to hear.
Sorry, Your Lordship.
I don't know what is happening here.
No, sorry, I'm very sorry. Your Lordship.
I'm asking you, when he has submitted a lease agreement only for 33 decimals?
Yes.
Now, why are you asking about whether the dispute is of 100 or 120 decimal?
Your Lordship,
The man may not get 120 decimal.
Right.
The man may have received only 100 decimal.
yes, Your Lordship.
Out of the mutual agreement was for 120 decimal.
So,
Instead of that, the actual apportionment has been given for 100 decimal. Out of that 100 decimal, he has given lease only of 33 decimal. How
my-
are you objecting to
Your
that?
Lordship, the land stands in the name of the father of the lesser, and there are total 6 co-partners.
The person,
Total 6
it
co-partners.
has been already apportioned.
No, Your Lordship, that is.
The apportionment order.
yes
Yes.
After the apportionment, if the apportionment has been done less than what was there in the mutual agreement between the parties.
Your Lordship, as per the date of application.
All right, you file your reply. This doesn't seem to be any reason for no excuse.
I'll explain, Your Lordship.
You can't be going into the amount which has been received by that lesser. Out of that, he has not given the complete property to him. He has only given 33 decimal to him on lease.
But
Out of 100.
Your Lordship, there are total 6
This
co-partners.
court finds that the lease agreement entered between the lessor and the petitioner is of 33 decimal only. While the respondents have raised a dispute as to whether the lessor was entitled for 120 decimal or the apportioned land of 100 decimal. The question with regard to the entitlement of lesser of 120 decimal has prima facie no relation with the lease entered between the petitioner and the lessor, who has only given 33 decimal of land to the petitioner. The order passed by the respondent prima facie does not seem to be appropriate. Matter requires to be examined. Counsel for the respondent may file his reply. In the meanwhile, until further orders, the site shall not be allotted to any third person.